Every generation hides something. A pattern, a wound, a truth unnamed. You feel it, you carry it, you live it. Until now. For the first time, someone is bringing the unconscious inheritance into the light. Introducing the world's first wisdom guide for enterprising families.
What if the story you are living is not the one you chose? What if clarity was the beginning of everything?
If you've ever felt expectations you can't explain, patterns you didn't choose, or pressure you've never spoken out loud, this is Joey.
She makes the unconscious conscious.
Here, you begin to see what you couldn't before. Welcome to the Wisdom Age. Subscribe and step into the story you were meant to lead.